apartment that we are entering now is our largest floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,265 square foot apartment. Right off your entryway, you have a full-size washer and dryer, which has additional storage to the left. This apartment features beautiful vinyl plank hardwood flooring that was recently installed. It has an open kitchen. So it has a breakfast bar, beautiful stainless steel appliances, and dark cabinets. We've recently installed this glass tile backsplash, which I feel really brings everything together. At the very end of the kitchen, we have a pantry. And there's additional storage behind. All of the appliances are included. Off the dining room is our first bedroom. Brand new carpeting is installed, and it has a nice closet. So nice size bedroom. You could easily fit a queen size bed in here. No trouble at all. Off the third bedroom is your dining room, which leads into your living room. Off the living room, you are going to go down the hallway. To the right is a linen closet. And to the left is your second bedroom. Again, same carpeting is installed. And right behind is your closet. As we walk back down the hallway, we are in the first bathroom, which is a full bath, bathtub shower combination, and your vanity. At the end of the hallway is going to be your master bedroom. In our model apartment, we have a king size bed in this bedroom. So plenty of space. Beautiful carpeting installed, large walk-in closet, and your 3-piece bath is here. So you have the stand-up shower. And this is it. This apartment is available for immediate move-in. We do have 3 bedrooms that have carpet as opposed to the vinyl hardwood flooring if that's your preference. Beautiful apartment. So contact us to find out how we can make it your home.